Because she's doing 7-3, she's making flowers.
Let me get around this way. I'm coming around
I'm sorry.
Is
Look at it.
Isn't it nice?
Pretty, ain't it?
it? Is he?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can see it now. That's pretty.
Makes a good stitch. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's the thing of the future, man.
Yep.
On the different stitches, how you push them right.
You didn't have to do anything.
Just change the stuff. You'll learn it.
Just load it and go.
Okay, it's I don't know what number. It even tells you the number of the foot you need. It says number N.
Oh, yeah,
I didn't
change.
see. That was a G. That's a zipper foot.
Yeah, change your feet.
That's a J. Oh, I don't know. It must be N on there then. That's a R. I don't know what number's on there. It's working, ain't it?
Yeah, it's working. Let's see. 55.
Tell you what foot you use on it too. After a while, you
Yeah, that's what I said. It tells you what foot you use.
That's the same foot.
Yeah. It might get N on there.
Yeah.
See, oh man, that's pretty.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, I like that. It's also got that. Yeah, it makes it pretty.
Let's see that light. Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
Project Run Rate, limited edition.
That is so nice.
Well, I'm gonna see this Teresa. Tell
I
her, hey,
appreciate it.
you just did. It's Sam's on
You
here.
need to put your sister decal right here.
Fix up Sam.
Yeah, that brother and sister.
That's so nice, y'all. Yeah, thread cutter was right there.
Everybody ought to have a Christmas.
let me see that stick.
That stitch right there.
Pretty.
You raise flowers on one,
See,
you
how would this go?
Oh no.
Just like that.
Going on Facebook.
On Facebook?
Not yet.
These go in here, I guess. I mean, looks like they would have had a tray. But that's
They
what
went back in there.
they do.
go back in a little bag, and then you
Wonder
go.
what that is.
Oh, it's a tool for,
To remove the stuff.
yeah. Well, I don't know what this was. It was that.
That came around that bobbin.
Well, we need I don't know where this goes. It's got to go in a place where to hold another spool because
Unless it goes up here.
you got a double needle. So that means it's got to hold 2 spoons of thread somewhere.
Pick it up. It don't weigh about 8 to 10 pounds. It's real light too. The whole thing.
We'll just have to read the instructions. That's for the bobbin, and you reckon it goes up there?
I told you that's where it goes.
But I mean, that's where the bobbin goes.
Maybe use 2
Maybe
threads.
both of them go up there.
2 needles. I mean, it has double needles down here.
Right, that's what I'm saying. It's got to have a space to put the other spoon.
Yeah. That would be right here.
But that's where the bobbin goes.
Maybe the bobbin goes on top of it.
See?
Maybe the bobbin goes on top of it.
You use it the other time.
Put that on there first. And then put the bobbin on there.
Now you can't,
You want to set
yeah,
on top?
I mean, you have to do either or, I reckon.
Yeah, either or.
I reckon so.
I reckon the instructions will tell you.
How'd you get this back on here?
Oh, it just slides off. How did you know? Oh.
So either we got a piece on there, or do you have to take it off the state?
Does it tell you what that foot is? It should. Somewhere. I can't read it if it does. All the rest of them got a number on it. That one doesn't have one on it that I can see.
So I have to do our music. You can quit on it then. Alright, say bye-bye to Facebook.
You're not really putting it on Facebook.
Oh, no, really. I was gonna send it to Teresa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Teresa.
Thank you so much.
Okie dokie. Bye.